You say your marriage is falling apart, but it's not, because it's you who's falling apart. And that's actually the good news. Hi, I'm Mimi Negrón. If you've ever felt invisible in your marriage, like nothing you do matters, I see you. I work with individual spouses, the ones who refuse to wait for their partner to change, because lasting transformation only happens when you take control. I've helped countless spouses turn a relationship that feels like it's over into one that seems over the top to some who don't believe in the power of romantic love. But if you've still got some juice in you and you're ready to stop surviving and start leading your marriage, you'll want to pay close attention, because what I'm about to tell you will start to change everything. Step 1. Pay particular attention to what you're trying to avoid. Avoiding is a leak in your marriage. Every time you scroll or distract yourself in any way, you're letting connection slip through your fingers. So the first step is brutal honesty. Brutal honesty. Where are you avoiding responsibility and action? Step 2. Acknowledge your role without shame. Blaming your spouse is like throwing punches at a shadow. The problem isn't them. It's your patterns, your habits, and your reactions. Own that part, not to feel guilty, but to take control of what you can actually change. Step 3. Commit to daily truth checks. Every day, stop and ask yourself, did I step up today, or did I hide? Then do one thing differently. Start one real conversation. Take a small action that matters. Small, consistent moves like that will beat out grand yet empty gestures every damn time. Because here's the deal. Once you stop hiding behind blame and excuses, you get to take back the one thing that actually changes your marriage. You, right? You guessed it. Now, don't get this part twisted. Taking control doesn't mean controlling your spouse. It means becoming the person your marriage needs right now. Steady under pressure, clear in action, confident, impossible to ignore. When you start leading this way, you stop reacting, and the relationship starts to shift quickly. And that's when hope becomes outcomes. It's about taking the right actions at the right times. If you're ready to turn hope into outcomes, join me inside the Marriage Muscle Club, created just for you, the Fed-Up Midlife Spouse who's ready to lead your marriage back to love. If this hit home, please don't just sit with it, move with it. This is the work we do to build marriage muscles so that growth-driven spouses like you stop waiting for change and start becoming the change. If you found value in this short snippet, hit subscribe, join my movement, and let's reshape your marriage from the inside out. As always, thank you for listening. I'm Mimi Negrón, the Marriage Muscle Coach, and this is where strength begins. I'll see you in the next video.